So to begin this painting, all we have to do is get some kind of a plate, and then I grabbed a tiny little medicine dispenser, but you can just pour your coffee straight onto your plate or find something where it's not gonna splash all over your desk. So I'm just gonna take my coffee and I'm gonna put it on this plate, and then I think I'm gonna do a little bit more. And then I'm going to take my mug that still has some coffee in it, and I'm just going to set it right on top of that coffee. And then I'm going to take it and just create little rings all the way down our watercolor paper. I'm just kind of pressing a little bit, not too much. I'm just going back for more coffee when it feels like it's running out, like that. I'm gonna put one up here, I think, and maybe get a little bit more coffee, and then just do one more right down there, like that. And even just doing that, it created like natural splatter, and we are done. And there you have an easy coffee DIY bookmark. Here are a few more DIY bookmarks you might be interested in.